我係開始錄啦。OK，咁啊，我哋翻嚟呢個 lab 啦。咁上一次咧，我哋哎呀忘記添啊！上一次做到，上一次我哋做到邊度啊？係咪做到呢個？我哋好似打通晒呢度，跟住呢個 PC 咧，remote 呢個 PC 應該可唔可以上網？係咪啊？等我入去呢度先。有時咧你要 remind 叔叔咧，OK，咁上一次係停留喺邊度，即係俾個 refresh 咁樣。OK，咁我哋再試下呢度，我哋可唔可以拼 A 得 A 得 A 得 A 啊？可以啦，OK。咁我哋再呢度我哋呢個 Internet router，上一次係咪提過呢個？睇下先，Internet router，Internet router 咧 show IP net translation。嗱呢度咧，OK OK，做。OK，雖然咧呢度咧可以拼呢個Google，OK，我哋再試呢個 Google 咧，你睇我哋再入呢個 Google Router。嗱，Google Router 咧，如果我哋 debug IP ICMP，即係我哋想知道 debug command，我哋想知道呢個究竟有咩 package 入嚟呢度啊，即係呢個好似 monitoring 咁樣，我哋再拼一次咁樣，你睇拼一次。OK，咁啊呢個 Google 咧，你睇呢度啊，睇問題就向呢度啦。因為咧，我哋做呢個 lab 嗰陣時咧，我哋冇嗰個喺 BGB 嗰度咧冇 create 個 filter，即係冇呢個嗰個 access list 嗰個 filter。你睇佢個 destination 咧 is request is from 10.200.1.100呢度啊。嗱，呢度有個問題就喺呢度，因為咧全世界咧呢個 internet 咧呢啲 private IP address is not routable，OK，is not routable to the internet，明唔明白？因為咧全部呢度咧所有嘅呢個 internet 咧 is deal only with the public IP address。嗱呢啲 private IP address 咧唔應該去到㗎。假設你喺屋企你嘅電腦啊，而家你嘅電腦嗰度啊，你假設打呢個 www 呢個 IP chicken.com，你打呢個 IP chicken.com 咧，你試下喺呢個 browser 嗰度，你打 www IP chicken.com，OK，你會得到你嗰個 internet 嗰個 ISP 嗰個 IP address，即係話，所以咧你出去個 internet 嗰個 public IP address 係喺你嗰個 wireless router 嗰度，有冇打到啊？
打緊，打
嗯哼，
到
打 www IP chicken.com 係咪先？咁你會見到你個 public IP address。咁你嗰個電腦係 192嗰個 private IP address，或者係 ten network，你睇所以咧，當你嗰個 package 咧，當你去 internet 有你個 computer 屋企嗰個 computer 咧，當你出去嗰陣時咧，嗰個 service carrier 咧，佢會用 convert，OK，將你嗰個我哋叫做 IP net translation，即係話將你嗰個 private IP address 咧 is going to translate it，即係轉咗你個 public IP address，所以咧。你嗰個就 public IP address，所以咧全世界咧，如果佢要追蹤呢個嗰個人咧，OK，或者係 hacker 啊，或者乜嘢咁樣，或者係邊個做壞事咁樣或者想知道嗰個人嘅屋企嘅或者係邊個信息咁樣發出嚟嘅嗰個追蹤嗰個 IP 就係咁樣，佢追到呢個 ISP 嗰個你嘅嗰個 public IP address，咁佢就知道呢個 public IP address 咧係經過你屋企嗰個 router 出去嘅。跟住咧再入嚟咧，佢會再 check 你嗰個 MAC address，咁所以咧你走唔甩噶，知唔知道？
知道，
係啊，所以咧我哋咧假設呢個 Internet router 啦，我哋去翻呢個 Internet router 先。OK，呢個 show IP interface here，show IP interface，show IP interface brief。假設 OK，假設呢間公司或者呢個 MTR。 OK，佢冇嗰個 public IP address。有時咧，嗰個 public IP address 咧可以要登記嘅，要買嘅。如果有時咧買唔到，咁啊冇辦法，佢要 lease 啦，要借用，即係好似你屋企嗰個 public IP address，你買唔到嘅，只不過你係用 lease 嘅，lease 即係話去租嘅咁樣。嗰個 service carrier，OK，我哋假設話呢度買唔到先，OK，我哋等緊，即係如果有冇多 IP4 public IP address 咧，你可以買到咧，跟住我哋呢間公司咧用我哋自己嘅 public IP address。如果唔得嘅話咧，咁我哋用呢個 public IP address 啦，去到 internet。所以咧呢個 Google 咧，佢應該係佢 see 個 package is coming from this IP，因為佢要 return traffic 嘛，開翻你個 internet router，即係你又開始，即係你個 home 呢個 IP address，明唔明啊？即係咁樣嘅意思。OK，咁我哋點樣做咧？首先咧，我哋呢個 internet router 咧，我哋應該係要 filter，即係你或者呢個 internet router 咧，對面咧佢都有個 filter，因為佢有直接呢個 line connect between this router and this router，right？咁 it depend 呢個 router 咧，通常咧佢都會 protect 佢，因為佢 only allow what IP is coming from this router。因為佢都唔想乜都係好似咁樣樣，即係好似咁樣你個 internet router 咧，我哋開翻呢個 internet router，你睇，如果呢個 internet router 咧 show IP BGP，你睇，哇哦，你睇佢見到有10 network，你睇10 to 100 is receive is coming from 我哋呢個 router，即係話變咗咧，我哋所有呢個我哋嘅 private IP address is explode 啊！即係俾咗錢，即係 internet。所以咧呢個 internet 咧，或者佢有自己佢嘅 network 嘛，internet 都係自己佢嘅 network，佢 network 又係10 network，所以咧有時會 conflict，is overlapping，OK，overlapping 即係話重複嘅，OK，即係話你又10 network，我又10 network，哇死啦，咁啊搞亂晒，係咪先？OK，咁啊點樣操作咧？點樣呢兩個咧？OK，假設我哋冇，因為我哋唔係 internet router，我哋唔可以即係 manage，即係我哋唔可以控制或者唔可以 configuration 人哋嘅 router 啊嘛。唯一我哋呢度咧要自己做啦，即係我哋唔可以 allow 呢啲嘢咧就出去啦，即係唔好流動啊，即係漏咗，OK，即係好或者係當咗一個 security。即係危險，即係我哋應該係 security protect 我哋嘅自己嘅 network，唔可以送出去。OK，所以咧，我哋開翻呢個我哋自己嘅 internet router。OK，嗱我哋嘅 internet router 咧，我哋知道啦，我哋有 BGP 嘛。OK，因為佢呢個送係呢個 show IP BGP，而且show run section router BGP。OK，而且你睇，我哋有 advertise 呢個 network，OK，咁我哋呢度咧有 advertise 我哋嘅 network 咧，俾咗呢個 internet router，所以咧呢個咧 is learning from our backbone，you see，is learning from our backbone，OK，but 我哋呢度咧，我哋嘅 neighbor 係呢個 neighbor，呢個 neighbor 咧，我哋應該加個 policy，即係加個一個 policy 咧，即係我哋假設。當以比喻，OK，我哋加個 security，即係話我哋嘅一個即係看守響呢度，即係話 everything is going out，everything is going out 呢個咧，即係個 policy 就係話俾佢 drop 咗佢啦，唔俾即係話 filter 唔俾佢出去啦。咁我哋點樣做咧？OK，我哋點樣做咧？OK，我哋咁首先嗱，OK，咁我哋點樣做？OK，所以咧，假設你睇呢度啊，去到 config，我哋用一個 route map，你試 route map。 OK，routemap BGP out，即係呢個名啊。OK，to ISP。OK，to ISP，即係假設呢個 routemap，就係呢個 routemap 啊。routemap BGP to ISP，即係話一個方向啊 out 啊。我哋而家要 deny。OK，我哋要 deny，即係我哋要 drop 佢啦。假設我哋擺個最99啊，呢個 policy。OK，我哋 hit enter 嚟睇。咁入邊點樣寫咧？呢度咧，我哋唔好理佢啦。即係話，如果我哋冇 match，通常你冇 match 喺呢度啊，冇 match 呢度啊。OK，呢個 match 啊，match IP address，即係乜嘢 IP address 可以出去咧？我哋暫時唔好理佢啦。OK，我哋假設啊，即係所有呢個 policy 咧都全部 drop 嘅。OK，咁我哋再翻呢個，你睇翻嚟呢度。我哋 show route map，嚟睇我哋有個 route map，嚟睇呢個 route map 啊。我哋有 route map，OK。上一次我哋做過呢個 inbound 喎，ADA，我哋有呢個，我哋上一次，我哋上一次有講過呢個咩？OK。但係呢個 inbound 係 apply 向邊度？BGP in from internet 係啊，呢啲OK。我哋或者我哋冇 apply 咗係咪啊？我哋冇 apply，因為我頭先嗰度 show run，有啊，嗱我哋上一次講過，但係叔叔忘記咗上一次呢個關於乜嘢呢個乜嘢 traffic 可以入嚟噶 from internet。OK，let me see，咁啊我哋唔好理佢先啦，我哋用呢個，我哋而家暫時呢個 BGP out to ISP，即係我哋 to internet。OK，我哋 deny everything。OK，咁我哋開始入嚟呢度啊 router BGP 65.0.0.3 right？唔係打錯咗，應該呢個係5555出邊嗰個。OK，個 AS number 爭一個5，你睇呢度啊。咁我哋咧呢度咧我哋攞個 route map 嗰個 neighbor 先啦。嗱，我哋呢個 neighbor 呢個 IP address，其實呢個 neighbor IP address，跟住我哋擺嗰個 route map 啦，我哋要搞個 policy route map。咁呢個 route map 咧係我哋呢個 route map，我哋要 deny everything。OK，要 deny everything，而且我哋要 deny everything。OK，跟住俾個 question mark 向呢度有個 outbound。OK，因為呢個 outbound，所以呢個 route map 咧係 apply for outbound traffic，即係去出邊㗎。OK，咁我哋再翻嚟啦，我哋再 show run section router BGP。嗱，我哋已經apply 咗啦，呢個 for outbound 一個 deny。OK，咁如果我哋特登咁樣 clear 個 IPBGP 嗰個我哋再 reset 嗰個 IPG 嗰個關係嚟。OK，我哋 reset 咗啦，咁啊重複呢個establish 啊，即係重複咗呢個用呢個 clear，不過呢個 clear command 咧要小心啲喺個 production，因為咧佢會如果你喺 production 咧，你做呢個 command 咧，咁有時咧有人會影響因為佢有個時間咁樣between here reattach 嗰個 reestablish 嗰個 BGP section 啊。OK，所以要小心啲呢個 command。不過我哋喺 lab 呢度咧冇乜所謂。OK，咁啊你睇，我哋去翻呢個 Google Router。嗱，Google Router 咧頭先嗰個係你喺呢度啊。Google Router 咧而家咧我哋show IPBGP，你睇冚唪唥咧，你睇之前嗰個 110 100冚唪唥冇晒啊。你睇，如果我哋去翻呢個 Internet Router，出邊呢個 Internet Router 呢個出邊呢個嗱。之前咧我哋有100嘛，呢個 OK200 10.100 係10.200呢個 private 我哋 IP address。今次咧如果我哋最 show IPBGP 咧，你睇 冚唪唥冇晒啦。因為咧，佢呢個 policy 已經向呢度啦嘛。如果你呢個即個 BGP 嗰個 routing table 咧，本來係我係 share 俾你噶嘛，但係我已經加咗呢個 policy，即係話我而家暫時咧冚唪唥都唔送俾你啦，deny，係，所以咧呢個 router 咧佢收唔到啦，你睇佢收唔到，佢收唔到啦。So far so good，知唔知道呢個 concept？
明白。
OK，咁咧，咁啊，OK，今日呢個 Google 咧，咁啊 make sure 咧，因為佢呢個 IP address 嘛，呢個要 advertise 嘛，OK，呢個 advertise，因為我而家用 AD9 啊嘛，呢個 AD9，make sure 我哋呢個 router 咧又送咗呢個 AD9 過去，或者呢個 internet router 又送呢個 AD9 呢個 network。不過我哋安全啲咧，我哋或者 advertise 即係 demo 俾你呢個 advertise just in case，right？我哋我哋 internet router，其實呢，因為咧我哋 internet router 咧呢度啊 show IP interface brief，你睇呢度啊，我哋有呢個 AD1.1.1.1，OK，我哋呢個 show run section router BGP，你睇我哋有 advertise 呢個 network，我哋有 advertise 呢個 network。但係呢個 network 咧，而家送唔到出去嘛？你睇，我哋 show IP BGP neighbor，我哋嘅 neighbor 係我哋嘅 neighbor 係咩啊 ？neighbor 係呢個，你睇，我哋嘅 neighbor，我哋想打 advertise route 呢個 command，就係 show IP BGP neighbor 啊，呢個 advertise route，即係我哋想知道究竟我哋有咩 advertise route 俾我哋嘅對家。你睇，而家係零 nothing。因為我哋已經 filter deny everything，所以咧我哋咧要 allow，OK，即係我哋要 permit，即係呢個可以出去嘅。咁點樣做咧？喺個 route map 嗰度，你我哋 show 翻呢個 show 呢個route map，OK，show 呢個 route map 咪先。咁呢個我哋係有個99啊嘛，因為咧通常呢個 policy 咧係有 lower 嗰個 number 係行先嘅，is read from top to the bottom。咁個 top 咧係 small number，OK。咁我哋呢度咧，首先咧我哋要做呢個先，你 config，我哋做個 matching 先，IP prefix list。嗱呢個 IP prefix list 咧，即係意思就話我而家要另外一個 policy，即係我要 match 嗰個 network 嗰個 address 啊。咁假設呢個咧，你睇 allow，你可以咁樣啊，即係話 allow 呢個 allow go out to the internet，喂，即係咁樣啊。或者你如果要make sure 呢個 case sensitive，OK，我哋就 allow network 啦，我哋我哋自己嘅 network 啦，就咁樣 allow network 啦，咁樣簡寫to internet 就咁樣呢個名，即係呢個IP prefix list 呢個 OK，即係話我呢個改個名先，俾個名呢個 prefix list 係你個名就 allow 我哋嘅 network go out to the internet。咁啊，我哋要既然 allow 啦，我哋要 permit 啦，即係許可啦。permit，咁啊，我哋呢個有呢個 network 噶嘛，我哋要送出去。咁啊89.1.1.0，而且 89.1.1.0，跟住我哋用 prefix list 用 /24。嗱，呢個係咁樣寫，唔係嗰個 mash 255 咁樣啊。呢個我就用咗呢個 /24。OK，我就 hit enter 啦。所以咧，我哋而家咧有 allow 呢個啦，即係呢個咧，我哋可以出去。點樣可以出去咧？嗱，我哋個 modify，即係呢個名啦。OK，我哋個對 route map 呢個，跟住咧 this time，我哋要擺個 permit，假設呢個 10，即係 inject 10即係話喺99之前。OK，我哋 hit enter，你睇呢度啊，即係我哋再寫一個 policy。咁呢個 policy 係做乜嘢咧？我哋就 match 個 IP address。OK，prefix list 個名個 prefix list，即係話我哋呢個 prefix list 咧呢度啊， 即係所有呢個 perfect list 咧喺呢度啊，係嘛？呢個咧 allow，即係見到呢個 network 咧 allow 出去嘅，咁樣 hit enter，係先？咁我哋再翻呢度，我哋 show route map，係先 ？show route map，你睇，我哋而家咧呢個 route map 咧，睇有兩個 entry 啊，有兩個 policy。OK， 最低咧冚唪唥都係 deny 嘅 ，not allow you。咁呢個10咧 ，OK 可以 allow，不過咧係要 match 嗰個 IP address，係 only this network can go out to the internet。OK， 咁我哋再翻轉頭呢度睇 show IPBGP summary 咧 ，show IPBGP neighbor this time， 我哋再睇啦，呢度啊，再睇，跟住我哋 advertise route。hit enter 啊，出去啦！你睇，今次咧allow 啦，意思即係話呢個 router 咧，我有 advertise 呢個 89.1.10/24 network to the internet， 跟住佢去到 Google， 所以咧 Google 咧佢一定見到呢個 network 咧 is sending from 55555呢個 go back to the Google router。Now I'm show IPBGP， 你睇呢個 89。OK，it's a 6789 from， 因為佢都有呢個，因為呢個 89咧，你睇呢個咧佢都有 advertise 俾佢啊，因為呢個 router 咧 only take from the shorter，OK 短，所以咧係67嘅。如果我哋 remove 呢個 internet router 咧，佢會知道係 sending from 5555 also。嗱，我哋可以 demo 啦，我哋喺呢度啊，去 internet router。喺呢個 internet router 先 show run， 你睇度 show run section router BGP， 我哋嗰度 config T， 我哋嗰度 go back to this router， here， you see， 咁我哋 say no， 我哋 remove 呢個啦，係我哋想 demo， OK， 就我哋呢個 internet router 咧係 remove 呢個 network，you see remove 呢個 network。OK， 即係 not advertised this network not advertised by this router. Now let's go back to the Google router. Okay, now this time you see here, you see from 6789本來係呢個，但係而家我哋 remove 咗啦。咁啊，而家咧 is learning. Look at that, it's learning from 55555. Okay, it's learning from 5555. 嗱，所以咧呢個 Google 咧no problem return traffic back to this interface. Okay, so now you see， 因為呢個而家呢度咧冇 10 network 咧，所以咧呢個 PC 咧 right now if you still ping 888應該係 time out 嘅，你知應該係 time out 嘅，因為呢個 Google 咧 I don't know return back， 因為咧佢嗰個呢個 Google 咧 ，OK， 你知因為嗰個 Google 咧睇到 still is coming from 10 to 100。因為咧呢個 10 好多，我哋已經 apply 咗個 policy 咧，我哋已經 remove 咗，係咪先？所以咧今次咧 Google 咧就唔知道，I don't know how to go back to 10 to 100。同埋咧呢個係唔係 public IP address？ That is not right。Right， so how we fix it？OK， 咁我哋點樣解決咧呢個問題咧 ？OK， 我哋 go back to internet router， 我哋自己 internet router。嗱，跟住咧，Susan 咧就會介紹俾你叫做 IPNet translation。乜嘢叫做 IPNet translation？ Here watch。我哋咧首先咧，我哋 show IP interface with again。You see here， 我哋嗰度 config T， 我哋嗰度 interface F0/0 呢度啊。嗱，呢個咧我哋係 facing inside 呢個 inside 啊。所以咧，我哋首先係 IPNet translation enable， 我哋要呢個 enable先，即係我哋 enable 嗰個 service 嗰個 function， 我會 telling this interface， 我想加咗呢個功能叫做 IPNet enable。咁咧 OK， 咁 after you enable 呢個功能咧，我哋用個 IDNet，我哋會話俾你聽，呢個係乜嘢？呢個係 from inside，即係呢個 facing for inside，即係 listening for inside 呢邊嘅個方向。我哋 hit enter，and then we go back。我哋做下一個，咁我哋仲有一個呢個 interface 嘛？咁呢個 interface 喺呢個，而喺呢個。咁呢個咧，我哋做 IPNet enable first，of course，跟住 IPNet，我哋呢個 facing for outside，嚟睇。我哋首先要做呢個兩個 configuration on the interface。OK，IPNet enable，IPNet inside，IPNet enable，IPNet outside。OK，咁我哋已經 enable 啦。咁 enable 之後咧，呢個 router 咧，我哋要或是 enable inside 嘛。咁我哋要教佢要乜嘢叫做 permit 嗰個 network 可以出去噶嘛，即係 convert 呢個 IP address。所以咧，我哋假設我哋去 config T， 我哋淨係用 standard access list 咁樣 access list。呢個介紹一個新嘅 access list 啊，呢個 access list 咁樣啊。OK，access list 50 permit， 你睇呢個俾個 question mark 喺呢度啊，即係我哋而家create 一個 access list， 即係可以話嗰個身份證啦咁樣啦。OK， 喺呢個即係呢個身份證50。OK， 咁啊或者一個 group 啦。OK， 一個 group。究竟呢個50係乜嘢 IP address 可以出去咧？咁我哋所有呢個都冚唪唥都係我哋可以全部 summarize 用嗰個 10 network。OK， 咁呢個10 network 係用嗰個 wildcard 要調翻轉頭嗰個 wildcard。假設咁樣啊，呢個 permit 我要所有呢個10 network 嚟呢個10 network， 跟住擺個 question mark。因為呢個係 wildcard 又調翻轉，咩嘢叫做 wildcard 咧？等我話俾你聽個 IP calculator， 即係我哋 cheat 啦，唔使用手計。叔叔話俾你聽乜嘢叫做 wildcard。No， 呢個係 /8。Let me bring it over。你喺呢度啊？我哋用 IP calculator 嚟睇，如果我哋 take 所有嘅000個 /8 default /8 network， 我哋係 suppose 1 million 嚟睇。OK， 呢個 /8 好大㗎。OK， 因為佢係呢個 default。嗱，佢 default 咧係呢個 wildcard， 呢個就 wildcard 調翻轉頭，本來係 255， 我哋 255.0.0.0 啊嘛。而家調翻轉頭咧係0255，要調翻轉頭。OK， 要調翻轉頭。嗱，佢呢個係本來係咁樣嘅 net mask 255.0.0 equal 8 bit， 而且呢個8 bit 啊，所有 OK。咁如果 wildcard 佢調翻轉頭嚟睇，由0調翻轉頭 255，因為 computer is only interest in 11111，not in 0。OK，something like that。So now 我哋 take this one 啦，佢 wildcard 響呢度啦。所以咧，我哋呢度 wildcard 咧係擺呢度，唔係呢個。呢個 wildcard 應該係調翻轉咁樣 255.255，其實係所有嘅。OK， 所以話包括所有嘅 network 呢度，所有嘅 network 10 network。OK， 咁我哋 hit enter。我哋而家有咗呢個 group 啦 ，access list 啦。跟住咧，我哋加入佢嗰個 IPNet translation 啦 ，IPNet 你擺個 question mark 響呢度睇。咁你要想做乜嘢？我想繼續 inside 啦，因為呢個 policy 咧 is apply for this inside 嘛。因為我要 match 呢個10 network， 所以我先可以出 allow you go out to the internet，right？IPNet inside 意思。咁你想做乜嘢咧？用 source 你睇呢個 source 啊，即係 source address translation， 即係你個 source 係 from 10 network 咪咧？咁啊，擺個 question mark， 你可以話用 static 一對一，但係咧，我哋而家咧 呢度因為太多啦嘛，我哋冇可能用一對一，一對一係方便從外邊入嚟，OK？但而家咧，我哋係呢度含出邊所有嘅 network 咁樣出去咧，用 list 比較方便啲，OK？用 list 比較方便啲。咁我哋嘅 list 係乜嘢咧？list 就係個 access list 啦。我哋啱啱先 create 個 access list 50啦，我哋擺個50喺度啊，OK？IPNet inside the direction. Source is from list 50 is allow all 10 network. I got question mark again. What else? 跟住咧 interface，OK？我哋 interface 之後咧，嗰個 question mark。So what does mean interface？因為我哋要所有嘅 network 咧，我哋要 translate with this IP address。OK？所有嘅 network 出去咧，我哋要 convert 89.1.1 here something。OK？So interface 其實呢度我哋要嗰個 IP 咧，呢個啊。頭先我哋嗰個 IP address 係，sorry，係呢個，OK，so 呢度你睇，OK，跟住咧，我哋再擺個 question mark，因為咧，我哋所有咧，因為我哋唔夠嗰個 IP address，OK，所以咧，我哋 only allow overload。每一次出去 internet 咧，所有嘅電腦響呢度出去咧係 overload this IP address。OK，我哋 hit enter complete 嗱，跟住我哋再 refresh show run section IPNet 嗱，呢個就 complete statement 啦。你睇 IPNet inside source list 50 is from 10 network。我哋 interface 嗰個 outside overload，即係話 everything from inside overload with this IP address 嗰個 interface 嗰個 IP address。OK， 即係呢個show run 呢度啊 ，show run interface app 0/1/0/1/0。OK， OK， 所以咧個 traffic 咧 is going out by this IP。嗱，我哋再試下啦，go back to here，right？嗱，跟住咧再試下，我哋可唔可以 ping 呢個 beautiful？你睇，我哋可以 successful 啦。拼啦，咁我哋去翻呢個 Google Router 咧，今次beautiful look at，今次你嘅 traffic is coming from 89.1.1，唔係 from 10 network 啦，係 from 89.1.1，因為我哋已經 translate 咗喺呢度。咁我哋去翻呢個我哋自己嘅 Internet Router 咧，我哋 show 個 IPNet 嗰個 translate 嗰個 table 啊，嚟 beautiful look at that， 即係話個 outside 個 IP outside global outside local outside global 呢個係 outside local 同埋 outside global 係一樣嘅 Google A，但係我哋 inside 咧呢個 traffic is request is from this PC， 即係 from 呢個 PC 啊，呢個 PC 啊。咁當你要出去嗰陣時咧，佢要 retranslate 89.1.1。OK， 所以咧嗰個 Google Router 先呢個就知道點樣翻嚟 back to this PC。OK， 當 traffic coming back 咧一樣啦，佢 coming back when the traffic is coming back from Google and it will look at on this router the IPNet translation table。如果 Google 調翻轉係，如果 Google 翻嚟咧，去到呢個咧，呢個咧會 map 到入邊呢個 IP， 所以咧呢個 IP 咧可以 return back the traffic back to here。OK， 嗱我哋再試下呢個 price server 啦，嗱 price server。OK， 我哋再試下呢個 price server。嗱呢個 price server 一樣啦，如果我哋 ping 8.8.8.8， 我哋可唔可以咧？你睇，好得，你睇 ，OK， 咁我哋 go back to the internet router， 今次咧你喺呢度啊 ，beautiful， 你睇一樣啊， Same, go out to the internet, ping Google, right? And then this time, the packet is coming from 10.100.50 from this price server. It's not from the PC. You see? OK，咁一樣啦 89.101，係先？咁如果呢個 Google 今次咧，去翻呢個 Google 咧，same thing，everything from this network，everything leaving this router，即係所有嘅 traffic go out to internet 咧，通過呢個 interface 咧，會 automatic 咧會 translate 到89.1.1。Okay, so now go back to here. All right, so far so good. Understand? 知唔知道呢個 IP 咧個 translation 嗰個用法？
明白。
有冇問題？
冇。
Yeah，所以咧，你個自己個 home router 咧，你個而家你自己個 home router 嗰個 wireless 嗰個 router 咧，所以咧即係你嘅電視啊，或者你嘅手機啊，媽咪啊、爹哋嘅手機咧，你通常 go out to internet 咧一樣啦，會 automatic translated to 嗰個 public IP address， 即係話呢個 public IP address， 即係話你自己頭先嗰個 IP chicken.com。所有咧你屋企入邊嗰個 network 咧 ，private network go out to internet 咧，係嗰個 router 咧，你自己嗰個 home router 咧，嗰個 internet router 咧，會 automatic translated to your 嗰個 public IP address。呢個就叫做 what is the net translation， 就係咁樣用法啦。OK， 所以咧，你而家得到個 knowledge 一個知識就話，以前咧你要記得啊，即係唔好笑死人啊，明唔明啊？如果你而家你可以答覆人哋咧，因為如果喺屋企普通屋企嗰啲或者公司咧，你 go out to internet 咧，喺嗰個 router 係邊個 net translation， 或者係個 net translation， 或者係 firewall， 唔一定話呢個 router， 佢有個 firewall。之前咧學到呢個 routing 之後咧，叔叔咧會教你乜嘢叫做 firewall， 加強 OK network 用個 firewall。OK， so this good 啦，everything is good。All right, now let me see what else that we want to know. Let me see. Go back to we have seen here. Is it here? Right? Show IP here. 我哋嗰次 miss 咗嗱，我哋有個 default route， 即係呢個 default route。OK， show run section router BGP， 嗱 show run IP route。嗱，因為咧呢個 IP route 睇，你用個 static。OK， 用個 static， 但係有好似呢個 static 咧，如果我哋再加個 internet 咧，另外一間公司如果 for redundant， 我哋會再 demo 加多一個。你唔可以話你 rely 一間公司，如果嗰個 service provider 或者佢個 backbone 呢個有問題咧，咁你死啊！你 go out 唔到去 internet， 咁你要嗰個有個 backup 啊。咁個 backup 梗係唔可以同一個 same company， 或者你 pick up another company。OK， 咁呢個咧 static route 咧，雖然 OK， 即係 everything go out to internet 送俾呢度啊，但係我哋可唔可以咧 request？ 我哋要 dynamic。OK， 我哋要 dynamic， 因為假設呢個 router 咧，佢要點樣講呢度啊？呢度啊，我哋再示範俾你度。OK， 橫掂都講埋啦，我哋 drag 呢個 router。